Struggling with a never-ending to-do list? We all know that feeling. The constant pressure of emails to respond to, meetings to attend, reports to write, and the long hours spent doing repetitive tasks. It feels like no matter how hard you work, the list never shrinks. But what if I told you that there's a way to stop working harder and start working smarter? Enter AI-powered tools, your new best friend in productivity. AI tools are booming, and they're not just for tech experts. In fact, they're designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, helping you save time, reduce stress, and focus on what really matters. Imagine having a personal assistant that can help you draft emails, schedule meetings, transcribe conversations, and even edit videos, all at the push of a button. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful AI tools that will revolutionize how you work. By the end, you'll be wondering how you ever managed without them. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's dive into these incredible tools that can save you hours every day. Number 1, your AI writing assistant, ChatGPT. Let's start with something that most of us interact with every day, writing. Whether it's sending emails, drafting reports, or writing blog posts, writing takes up a significant chunk of our time. But what if you could just type a few words and have a well-written document ready for you? ChatGPT is an AI tool that can instantly generate emails, reports, and summaries, and even brainstorm ideas for your content. It's like having a coworker who never gets tired and is always ready to assist you with writing tasks. Imagine you have an important email to send to a client, but you're stuck figuring out the best way to phrase it. Instead of spending time agonizing over the wording, you can simply type a quick prompt such as, "Write a professional email responding to a client asking for a project update," and voila! ChatGPT generates a polished email in seconds. This tool is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time writing, whether you're a business professional, a writer, or even a student. If you need to draft reports, summaries, or even social media posts, ChatGPT has got you covered. It helps you save time and focus on higher-level tasks like strategy and creative thinking rather than getting bogged down in the details. But the real magic happens when you start brainstorming. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for blog posts, research papers, or presentations, making your creative process smoother and faster. You'll be amazed at how much more efficient you can be with just a little help from this AI tool. Number 2, organize your life with Notion AI. Now, if you're like me, staying organized can be a challenge. We juggle so many different tasks, meetings, notes, to-do lists, and deadlines that it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where Notion AI comes in. Notion AI is an amazing tool that combines the best of task management and note-taking, helping you stay organized while reducing your mental clutter. Whether you're in a meeting or brainstorming ideas for a new project, Notion AI can help you take notes, organize them, and even summarize key points from your conversations. Let's say you just finished a Zoom call. Normally, you would spend time taking notes, maybe even trying to remember key action items that came up. With Notion AI, it can automatically summarize the meeting and generate a list of action points, saving you precious time. But it doesn't stop there. Notion AI helps you prioritize your tasks by automatically creating to-do lists based on your daily needs. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a project manager, or part of a team, Notion AI helps you streamline your workflow so you can focus on getting things done instead of wasting time on organization. It's like having a personal assistant who keeps track of everything for you without the need for constant follow-up. And because Notion is customizable, you can set it up in a way that works best for you. You can organize your notes, meetings, and to-do lists in whatever format feels most intuitive to you. That flexibility is a game changer when it comes to staying on top of your tasks and maintaining productivity throughout the day. Number 3, transcribing conversations with Otter.ai. Let's face it, meetings can be a drag. And sometimes, no matter how much we pay attention, it's hard to remember every detail of a conversation. How many times have you walked out of a meeting thinking, "Wait, what were the key takeaways again?" If only there was a way to transcribe everything, saving you the hassle of having to re-watch the recording or ask colleagues for clarification. That's exactly what Otter.ai does. It transcribes your conversations in real time. Whether you're in a meeting, an interview, or even a lecture, Otter.ai listens and automatically generates accurate text transcriptions. It's perfect for business professionals, students, or anyone who needs to keep track of important information during discussions. No more frantic note-taking or struggling to remember key points. Instead, you can focus on engaging in the conversation and let Otter.ai handle the rest. But what's even cooler is that Otter.ai doesn't just transcribe. It can also summarize the conversation and highlight key takeaways. After your meeting, you can quickly skim through the notes and find the most important information, making your follow-up process much faster and more efficient. This tool is a game changer for content creators and anyone who has to manage a lot of conversations. With Otter.ai, you can save hours of work by instantly converting spoken words into written text that you can easily share with others. It's a fantastic way to boost productivity, especially when you're juggling multiple meetings or tasks. Number 4, scheduling smarter with Motion AI. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by a packed calendar? We all know that managing schedules can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of our workday. Between meetings, deadlines, and personal commitments, it's easy to get lost in the chaos of trying to fit everything in. That's where Motion AI comes in. Motion AI is an AI-powered smart calendar and scheduling assistant that helps you optimize your day. It automatically blocks off time for priority tasks, schedules meetings in available time slots, and even helps you stay focused by minimizing distractions. All you have to do is input a deadline or task, and Motion AI will create a detailed schedule that ensures you meet your goals on time. But what makes Motion AI really stand out is its ability to reschedule your meetings automatically if conflicts arise. Have you ever had a meeting overlap with a deadline or a personal commitment? With Motion AI, it analyzes your schedule and reschedules meetings or tasks to make sure everything fits smoothly. You won't have to worry about double booking or scrambling to adjust your calendar. Motion AI has it covered. This tool is perfect for entrepreneurs, executives, and busy professionals who need help managing their time. By eliminating the need to constantly check your calendar, Motion AI gives you the freedom to focus on the tasks that truly matter. It's like having a personal assistant who ensures your day is organized and your time is spent wisely. Number 5, automating video editing with Runway AI. If you're a content creator, you know how time-consuming video editing can be. Editing footage, applying effects, cutting unnecessary clips, and color grading, it all takes hours. But what if you could automate most of this process and save yourself a ton of time? With Runway AI, you can do just that. This AI-powered tool automates video editing tasks such as cutting clips, applying effects, and even color grading. Runway AI's features make it incredibly easy to create professional-looking videos without the need for advanced editing skills. You can upload raw footage, and Runway AI will help you trim, adjust, and enhance it in minutes. But that's not all. Runway AI can also remove backgrounds from videos without the need for a green screen, making it a great tool for anyone who wants to create polished content quickly. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, social media clips, or marketing materials, Runway AI can help you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional editing software. Runway AI is a must-have tool for YouTubers, marketers, and content creators who want to save time on the editing process while still producing top-notch videos. By automating the time-consuming parts of video editing, Runway AI allows you to focus on the creative side of content creation, helping you work smarter, not harder. So, what's the future of AI productivity? We've just scratched the surface of what AI can do for your productivity. These tools are already making a huge impact, and they're only going to get better as AI technology continues to evolve. Imagine a future where AI can handle even more of your daily tasks, from managing your emails to writing your reports, and even predicting what tasks you should prioritize next. As AI continues to improve, it's likely that personal assistants powered by AI will become an integral part of our work lives. These assistants will not only handle scheduling and emails, but will also help us with decision-making, strategy, and even creative brainstorming. The potential is limitless. The best part? As AI takes over more repetitive tasks, we'll have more time to focus on what really matters: creativity, deep work, and strategic thinking. Instead of spending hours on mundane tasks, we can redirect our energy into innovation and big picture thinking. And that's where AI is truly going to shine. So, there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that can drastically improve your productivity and help you work smarter, not harder. From writing emails and organizing tasks to transcribing meetings and automating video editing, AI is here to revolutionize the way we work. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences with AI and how you're using it to boost your productivity. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI-powered tools, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and here's to working smarter, not harder.